2-in-1 emergency escape tool provides a window hammer and seat belt cutter, 2-pack. Hard tungsten metal double head hammer for quickly breaking a car door window. Sharp blade for easily cutting through a seat belt. Bright orange plastic handle provides a secure grip. Designed to help escape from a sinking, overturned, crashed, or burning car. Protective bracket included for safe storage. Store in center console or driver side door pocket. Backed by an Amazon Basics limited 1-year warranty. Amazon Basics emergency seat belt cutter and window hammer tool, car accessories, 2-pack. Top reviews from the United States. Handy tool to have. Bought a set for mine and my wife's car. I'm a plan for the worst, hope for the best person. The tools themselves feel sturdy even though they are light. They are quite difficult to remove from the holder they come in that you are supposed to mount them in. We found alternative ways to keep them in the vehicles as it was too difficult for some of the kids to remove from the holder.